Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I have some exciting news today. I'm releasing a brand new indicator in the Wolfpack Pro package. So if you've purchased Wolfpack Pro, you're getting this package today. It's in your indicators. Go and check it out. Let's check what it is. It's a skin that fits on any other indicator that detects trigger waves. It also has some other Wolfpack Pro features such as the trend lines. We have the trend line break bar up above here to detect the waves that start to come down. You're getting some early signals here, and we have the bull flags here, which are a feature of Wolfpack Pro. Most importantly too, it's the trigger wave detection, and this is giving you access to the golden crosses, the triangles, which are so important in detecting really bearish swings. So check out your indicators if you have Wolfpack Pro. And again, you can continue to use, here's Wolfpack Pro down below. I still like it. This is still my favorite indicator of all time. We got the golden crosses predicting massive pumps. And with the skin, it's the same technology, the same trigger wave detection technology that I developed, but you can apply it to other indicators and oscillators. So I'm going to show you how to apply it to any indicator. I'm going to use Market Cipher here. This is the real authentic Market Cipher B. We're going to put it on just to show you how to get it done. All right, so I'll take off Wolfpack Pro from the chart just for the demonstration and remove TriggerWave Pro, TriggerWave X. I'm deciding on the perfect name for it. So here we have Market Cipher B. I've turned off the VWAP and the money flow. This is how they look. I just find that for me, in my own back testing with my bots and my own personal development, that the acceleration wave and my advanced money flow are more valuable. It's my personal preference. Again, with TriggerWave X, you also have all of the toggles, so you can turn them on or off at your leisure. All right, so it's fully customizable. So this is how you get it on your chart. Just go into your indicators, find your invite-only scripts, and click on TriggerWave X, TriggerWave Pro, depending on what name I end up settling on. And you'll see it opens in a separate pane here. We want to move it to the existing pane above. So I'm just going to click these three dots on TriggerWave X and move it to the existing pane above. All right, so now it's on Market Cipher B. And as we see here, we have a scale to the right and a scale to the left. So what this is, if you're adjusting or zooming on Market Cipher, this is going to be the scale on the right. And on the left, you have this, the TriggerWave X. So what we want to do is we want to merge these together so it fits on like a glove. So to do that, you just right click on the scale, merge all scales into one on the right. I'm just used to on the right. And now this is a little bit weird, but don't worry, no fear. There's an important setting we have to change in TriggerWave X. We have to change to the correct indicator value to activate TriggerWave X. So right now, we want to change it, at least on Market Cipher, to the main source. So we're on Market Cipher, that's going to be Market Cipher B, blue wave. So once we change that, there we go. So we have it fitting like a glove. It should glide with it. It shouldn't be floating in outer space. It shouldn't be floating on top. But as you see here, it's actually behind. It's displaying behind Market Cipher B. So to fix that, we want to select the three dots on TriggerWave X and move to visual order, bring to front. There we go. So now you can see the advanced money flow index right here at this green wave, and we have the acceleration wave. So these are some of my favorite indicators to use in my trading. I've had a lot of success personally, and we also have now trend line detection breaks, automatic trend lines on Market Cipher. Super exciting that we got this technology. And so the Bollinger Bands also are giving us a broad sense of the momentum coming up. It goes to green here, and these waves start coming up and up and up and up and up, and then it goes red here. right at the very top. So it's giving us general trend direction. It's really helping guide our senses and our intuitions for trades. It's going to help you trade in the correct direction, which is incredibly valuable. So you can continue using Wolfpack Pro if you have it. It's my favorite indicator by far. But if you are a fan of Market Cipher or any other indicator in particular, feel free to apply this. And again, we can customize everything about TriggerWave X. So we can take off the acceleration wave, the money flow, the bull bear flags right here down at the bottom. If you don't like to use those, it's at your discretion. You can take off the Bollinger Bands if you find it's creating too much noise. And the trend lines too, we can take these out right here. And we can take out the top bar as well, the trend line break detection. And as well, one last thing here, this is just a nice little addition. We have the amplitudes, so we can change the amplitudes of, do you see how that the acceleration wave amplitude is getting higher or lower if I go down here? So we can change everything about the indicator as a whole. You can also change any color you want in the styles tab here. You can change the symbols that plot for different trigger wave detections. So if you don't like the green triangle, if you have a different favorite, feel free just to plug it in right there. And that is the indicator in a nutshell. And as you can see, we have a downwards triangle, we have a downwards trigger wave detected, and let's see if we can find, we have a strong sell signal right here, but just before we come down, and then right here we have a strong buy with the bull flag, and as we come up, and as you see, another strong sell signal, and then we really come down. Here we have a golden cross forming, and we also have a recent bullish flag, and that the bull flags, if you have studied Wolfpack Pro, head over to my website. It's wolfpackprofessional.com. I'll link it down in the description, and you can read all my tutorials. I have some testimonials. I have more testimonials that I'm adding. People are saying a bunch of good things about this indicator. I'm really committed to developing this to its full potential. So here's just the quick run through. If you want to check my website out, it's wolfpackprofessional.com/pages/tutorials, and I have this up here for you guys, and I'm updating it regularly as well as my tutorials section. All right, so that's all for the video, guys, and feel free to like the video, check it out, and if you want a discount, I'm linking a discount code in the description for the whole package. I'm also creating a brand new indicator in the future that I'm also adding to this, so if you buy a lifetime package, even if the price goes up, you're still included with all the updates in the future. So feel free to head on over to my website, head on over to my Discord if you have any questions, if you're skeptical, if you want to ask community members about their experience using it, feel free to check the links in the description. All right, thank you guys very much for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.